If you're expecting guests for a garden party, how do you get the wow factor into your outdoor space? First, take a look around the garden and assess which areas will benefit from a good declutter and clean. Patios can be cleaned easily with Kärcher's brilliant wet and dry vacuum cleaner for the toughest of outdoor jobs. Next, consider all the sightlines. Gardens should look sharp from all angles. Vacuum inside pots and all around dining areas, and use the blower function for scattered leaves, ready to vacuum up. Now, make it inviting. Ensure you have a relaxed yet stylish dining area with a stylish tablecloth and napkins, and add your favourite glassware. Remember to clean decorative water features and seating. The Kärcher Wet and Dry Vacuum Cleaner can tackle all of these jobs effortlessly, putting the wow back into your outdoor space so you can raise a glass to good times ahead.